This Ayurvedic hair butter will help your hair feel softer, stronger, and support long and thick hair, especially if your hair has been dry, breaking, or not retaining length. And the best part is, it's very simple to make. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this potent Ayurvedic hair butter for healthy growth. With that being said, let's get into the video. So we are going to be using raw shea butter. You can use mango butter, you can use cocoa butter. And another thing we are going to be using is Ayurvedic hair oil. I have been infusing this oil for over 2 months now. You don't have to wait that long though. Even a week or two of infusing will give you the benefit. The longer it sits, the more potent it becomes and the more nourishing it is for your hair. This oil is rich and full of natural ingredients that are very good for the hair and scalp. They help to nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair, reduce breakage, and support healthy growth over time. I strain the oil into a clean bowl. After straining, I reduce the oil a bit because I don't want it to be too oily when I mix it with the shea butter. After that, I added my raw shea butter into the bowl of oil. At this point, the shea butter is still hard, so it won't mix properly. So what I did was to place the bowl inside hot water. Please don't put it directly on fire. Just place it inside hot water so it can melt gently. This method helps the butter to melt slowly and combine well with the oil. So I allow it to sit for a while, and as you can see, everything started melting and blending together. Just be patient at this stage and allow it to melt properly. Once everything was fully melted and mixed together, I covered it and placed it inside the refrigerator so it could solidify again. If you don't want to use the refrigerator, you can leave it at room temperature, but it will take more time. So after some time, I brought it out and you can see it has become solid again. Now this is where the real transformation happens. I started mixing it with my mixer. As I'm mixing this, you will notice the texture changing gradually. It starts becoming lighter, softer, and more creamy. This step is very important because it gives the butter that smooth texture that is easy to apply on the hair. So just keep mixing it patiently. While I'm mixing this, let me quickly remind you why this butter is so powerful. First, the Ayurvedic oil in here is packed with natural herbs like clove, rosemary, fenugreek seeds, black seeds, moringa leaf powder, flax seeds, and cinnamon sticks. All these ingredients are really good for the hair. They help to nourish the hair, make it stronger, reduce breakage, and support healthy growth over time. So if your hair has been feeling dry or breaking a lot, this is the kind of thing that can really help. Now, when we combine that with shea butter, it becomes even more powerful. Shea butter is very good for sealing in moisture. So after your hair has absorbed water, this butter helps to lock in that moisture and keep your hair from drying out too quickly. It also helps to protect your hair from breakage, reduce split ends, and make your hair feel softer and smoother. If you struggle with dry or rough hair, you will really notice a difference when you start using something like this consistently. Now, look at the texture. You can see how smooth and creamy it is. It's not too hard, it's not too oily. Now Now I'm transferring it into this clean plastic container for easy use. And just like that, our powerful Ayurvedic hair butter is ready. And one more thing I want to say, you don't have to use all the herbs I used in my oil. Don't feel pressured at all. You can work with what you have and it will still work for you. Even if it's just rosemary or cloves or fenugreek seeds, you are still going to get good benefits. The most important thing is consistency, not perfection. So start with what you can afford or what you already have at home, and with time you can always improve. Your hair will still thank you for it. So now that our butter is ready, let me show you how I apply it. The first thing I do is lightly spray my hair with water. I always do this because water is moisture and it helps the hair absorb products better. If your hair is dry, the butter will just sit on top, but when your hair is slightly damp, it helps to lock in that moisture. So after spraying my hair, I take a small amount of the butter and apply it on my hair. You don't really need too much, just a little is enough. I like to run it through my hair gently so it can coat the strands properly. And please, always pay attention to your ends. Your ends are very important because they are the oldest part of your hair and they dry out easily. As you can see, the butter spreads easily and makes the hair feel softer immediately. It also gives the hair a nice healthy look without feeling too heavy. Together, this butter is doing a lot for your hair. It's moisturizing your hair, strengthening it, protecting it, and helping it stay healthy over time. And the good thing is, it's all natural, so you know exactly what you are putting on your hair. You can use this a few times a week, especially after moisturizing your hair. Just remember, don't use too much. Start with a small amount and add more only if needed. With consistent use, your hair will start to feel softer, strengthened, more manageable, and less prone to breakage. And over time, that's how you retain length and healthy, thicker hair. And please remember, hair growth takes time. Don't use it today and expect magic tomorrow. Just stay patient, take care of your hair, and you'll start seeing improvements. Also, don't forget other things like protecting your hair at night by wearing satin or silk hair bonnet or using a silk pillowcase, drinking enough water, and eating well. Everything works together. If you want to see how I made the Ayurvedic hair oil from scratch, I have placed the link in the description box so you can check it after this video. After applying the butter to my hair, I usually go in with my oil on my scalp, but I didn't show that part on camera. I forgot to on the camera while applying the oil on my scalp. I always make sure I take care of my scalp as well because at the end of the day, healthy hair starts from healthy scalp. So I apply the oil and massage it gently. But for this butter, I mainly focus using it to seal in moisture on my hair strands. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Would you try this Ayurvedic hair butter? I would really love to hear from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and join our natural hair family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay consistent and take care of your hair. Bye.